The sound of the spirit in the mind is something greater. The sound will be heard in the breath that you breathe. The sound will be heard in the wind that cannot be seen. If you close your eyes and listen to the sound, you will hear it in how your heart pounds. Some will hear a ringing right inside the thoughts. Some will hear the hum as they question if others hear it too. The longer you listen to see where it comes from, there will be times when the wind will blow as if to say hello. Those are the moments when the sound will mix inside the heart. At this stage of awareness, you will then know that you are not alone. There will be times when you will hear the thoughts that will tell you how to create in the darkness of a world that seems so cold. This unseen world at first will only be felt. As the peace spreads into the sounds that you only hear, you will question how as you look inside your tears. The spirit world will echo in all that brought you here. It will trail into the breath to embrace the thoughts where your beliefs are kept. The day you realize that the spirit lies inside of you is a day the body will become something new. The blending of the spirit will then reflect in all of the darkest thoughts where your fear is kept. The people who have hurt you and the pain that you still have will become the way to see a bigger plan. Take a deep breath as you begin to understand that you are learning how to create in a dark land. As the sounds follow into the thoughts that you hold, listen to the voice and do what you are told. All the darkness that shadows any love that is seen will then embrace the feelings that come to you like a beam. All your fear that reflects as anger, jealousy, or hate will then be seen as a way to find the love to create. Listen to the sounds and you will find that the darkness is a way to shine the love into your mind. How can you know the love without knowing what it is not? How can you create in this dark land without searching for a light? The love of the Spirit starts within the sounds. The creation in this world of darkness needs the spirit world where all the love is found. How can you see the light of the Spirit in your thoughts without the shadows in your mind? How can you hear the Spirit that shines the peace you hope to find. You will need to feel the desperation inside the heart. You will need to connect this feeling with your thoughts inside. You will need to be seeking for something greater in your life. You will need to accept the moment right where you sit. Listen to the sounds inside your thoughts. Hear the breath you breathe and feel the world inside. Feel the body you are in and let the spirit move. Surrender to this world that will trail into all that you then say and do. Let the spirit world take your thoughts and feelings and turn them into something new. The spirit will turn the fear that is found in this dark land into the sound of creation right where you stand.